Good morning, rail fans. Friday morning, gorgeous weather. Rugby Junction here, actually at Ackerville, standing below the Highway 164 bridge again. And what do I have for you today? Well, a little background on this catch today. For those of you who collect coins, like money, you might already know that the coins that are worth the most are the ones that actually have a defect. So if you want to get some top dollar for some old minted US coin or penny, you want one that's actually kind of messed up, meaning there was something wrong when they minted it and somehow it got released into the public and now it's got a lot of value to coin collectors. That being said, does the same thing apply to locomotives? A couple weeks ago, almost 2 weeks ago, I showed you the new WAMX 6022 paint scheme in Horicon. And while I thought it was pretty nice all around, you have to admit that the lettering on the long hood was kind of missing some spacing. For you font nerds out there, that's called kerning. The spacing between the letters is called kerning. And I didn't want to say anything about it because I thought maybe it was some artistic, impressionist something. But when 6023 came out a couple days ago, and the spacing was corrected, led me to believe that, yeah, it was kind of screwed up on the first paint job. So that means 6022, which is hopefully going to be right there in a couple minutes, it's kind of unique. It's kind of special. Maybe it's worth more than all the other locomotives. And I also think it needs a special name. I was kind of thinking about the Lost in Space locomotive. You get it? Lost in space because it's missing spaces on the long hood. Anyway, if you have a better idea for a good nickname for this locomotive, let me know. But anyway, today's its day to be the leader of a T4 job. And so I'm going to get ready. Probably going to go up on the bridge again, try and get it from a fake drone view. And once again, this is kind of part of WAMX, Wisconsin-Southern history to see one of their first freshly painted SD60Ms rolling south on the T4. Enjoy the day, enjoy the catch. So you just saw the T4 go through, and hot on its heels was a southbound CN. Actually, a little surprised that the dispatcher let the T4 get on the CN Waukesha sub ahead of this next train, but that is what it is. Anyway, a little bit of bonus footage for you. And so I did see the train already. And what I think is kind of interesting and caught me off guard is that it's being led by a Union Pacific unit. And so for a second there I was thinking, is there a second T4 rolling through Ackerville? But not really. It's a CN unit, and actually it's a pretty nice looking UP unit. So anyway, enjoy the bonus footage and have a great day and have a great Labor Day weekend. Rugby Junction.